Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's okay. Welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to do a little bit different video today. I wanted to show you my spark plugs. I just changed my spark plugs in the F30 335i 2013 F30 335i, which is a 3 Series. It's the M Sport, so it's a 6-cylinder turbo, right? So the car just turned 60,000 miles, 60,500, something like that. And I was hearing from a lot of the dealerships that, 60,000 for turbo cars is roughly where you change your plugs. Well, it might be true. I don't know, but I can tell you at 60,500 miles, I felt no power loss really. I didn't really feel anything noticeable that would indicate that the spark plugs need to be changed. Now my N52 E60 5 Series, I do those plugs. Those are that's a non-turbo naturally aspirated engine. I do the plugs every 100,000 miles, roughly, and those you could see that they're worn at 100,000. They're pretty worn. But let me show you these. So this is 60,000 miles on a turbo car, and I can tell you that it's not that bad at all. Look at these gaps. I mean, you can still see the platinum tip kind of come out. It's not fully eroded. On some of them it might be a little bit more than others, but for the most part they're pretty substantial still. Like I took a new plug and I looked at the new plug and I compared it to the 60,000 mile plug, right? There was like minimum amount of gap difference, minimum. Like for 60,000 miles, this is a little early. If you ask me, you can easily get 10,000, on a stock car. Okay, not stage 1, stage 2, with running 100 more horsepower. Yeah, you're gonna run through your plugs faster. But on a stock car like mine, with a couple of performance upgrades, like the M Performance Airbox and such, which takes in a little bit more air, and but for the most part, a stock car, 60,000 miles is, I was expecting a lot worse than this. I mean, take a look. If I can get it to focus. No. So as you can see, would you change these? I want to hear what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Would you change these at 60,000 miles on a stock N55 bi-turbo engine? Single turbo twin scroll, really. I don't know. I would think that now that I changed mine at 60,000, I can probably go 70 to 80. Which would take me to what? 60 plus 70 would be 130, right? Or maybe even 140. And next change will be at like 130, 140. So comfortably. Like no check engine lights, no. So these are the plugs right here. Double platinum. And I would challenge Keys Motorsports and the dealerships on this for stock cars. For stock cars, 50,000. I hear recommended 50,000, 60,000. Well, maybe the way I drive this car is much smoother. I don't rip it. I don't destroy it. I don't really, I drive it hard once in a while, like redline it, high speed runs, but for the most part, I drive it smoothly. I drive it an EcoPro, you know, just so I can save on gasoline. This thing sucks gas. When you really step on it, this thing really sucks gas. But the plugs themselves, honestly, you know, at 60,000 miles, you know, I have to disagree with some of the recommendations of changing them at 50. I mean, obviously, everybody's driving style is different, and that will contribute to plug wear, whether excessive or not. But anyway, so what do you guys think? Here's my F30 on the left key and my E60 on the right. Right. So there's the E60 and there's the F30 key. So for those of you that so naturally, you know, naturally aspirated engines, 100,000 miles easy. Turbo engines, I would say 70 to 80 comfortably, for at least for me, you know. So 20,000 miles, I would say less on the plugs, because these are like high quality plugs. These are not like, you know, your regular spark plugs. You know, BMW really uses you know, double platinum, right? There's the part number, by the way, if you guys need it. 23 newton meters of torque, or 17 foot-pounds. Right there, there's your torque number. Do not over torque, it says. Okay, so yeah, okay, well, just wanted to share this little video with you. I got these from FCP Euro, so thanks to FCP for a good price, shipping them immediately. I got the little spark plug tool, the socket that, you know, the 12-point thin wall socket. It was like, I don't know, $8-9. So I did these plugs myself. You know, the dealer would charge these not that much, like around 300 plus tax. But obviously these plugs cost me, I don't know, like $50, $60, $70 maybe. Free shipping plus the little tool, another $8-9. So maybe I'm in about $75, $80 in this. So a lot less than 300. And fairly easy job. So yeah, I've done 2 of these on the E60. Anyway, comment down below. Please subscribe if you like this kind of content. This is a little different today. This is our kitchen. And that's it. Just it. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for more content. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care, everyone, and see you. Bye.